It is Saturday night. We had a lot of snow. Well, not really, but we haven't had snow in 2 years over here. So, it's like half an inch is considered a lot of snow. And we are going back to the shop. Hey, let's do that again. I guess that burnout didn't work out. What happened?
Cold. Hasn't been on long enough to do anything.
That was a nice burnout though, but a little short.
Yeah.
Let's get that. Let's just start it. It's a little dark in here.
Yeah. Here, I don't want snow to get inside, but I just want to clear off just enough that will do.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah, first snow of the year, huh?
First snow in almost 2 years. You can't call the last 2 years really snow.
Yeah. Well, when I say first snow of the year, I just mean for this year. But it's been a couple years since we've had snow.
We had last year, it had like 1/4 of an inch one day.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it.
That was it.
Alright. Let's get this rolling.
Doesn't want to swing at. Doesn't line.
I think I have to go out.
Yeah, it's pushing like it's 4-wheel drive, but it's not.
Hey, first snow of the year, we gotta. I smell pine.
I just want gasoline. I see gasoline. We'll do a quick mile.
Oh, nice. I guess there's still some evidence from our last adventures.
Yeah, if you want to move the generator a couple feet over and then just hit it with the mop, and then go turn the heat on.
Alright, cleaning duties.
Alright, so the heat's on for whatever that's worth. Could be warm in here soon. I'm going to wire the fuel pump back up.
Explode some fuel over here more again.
Probably. Hook up our catch can system, which is going to fill up very quickly.
Maybe we should make a bucket catch can instead.
Well, here's the problem with that line is catch fire immediately.
Oh, right. Good point.
So
What if we route...
the right way is to route it out this way.
Yeah, I was about to say, like, let's route it one of this ways, and let's just route it over here and have another can over, have another bucket over here. What if we route it into the return?
Like it's supposed to? No.
Do we have enough line for that?
I don't have this diameter line here for it, no.
Does this one fit in here?
Will it squeeze onto it? Yes.
So what if we move the fuel bucket up?
Fuel pump would need to be in this direction.
Ow. Right, in here. So it's out of the flames, no?
Okay. Yeah. I mean, well, this won't do, but that will.
That should fit.
Yeah, and then wiring for this needs to just drape over and out of the way. Which I'll just do this. Just drape it over.
What's that?
It's your neutral safety switch, gear selector. This goes over the pin on the transmission,
Right.
and when you pull it into gear,
All right.
well, actually, no, this just slides over. The actual linkage to shift it and shit is separate.
Whatever it is, it works. Or it should be working.
It should be working. I did pull the wires out, so we might have to play which one's which. I know it's the two on the end. I just don't remember what side was.
All right.
Power and ground, and then. So what did we do to get the starter to stop? Is that one plug that's unplugged here? That was the starter ignite wire.
I think so.
So I want to trace this down and put it separately, and then when we go to start it, you just touch that. So I'm going to run hot to the starter.
Wait, there should be another wire ready for this that we don't have to.
Make a new one.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. And then we just got to remember what plug that went to.
There you go.
All right, so we just need to remember what plugs those went to.
Nay.
And then with the starter hot, I think I just need to. What were we
Kill the
doing?
vats.
We were grounding it.
To some HP tuners. Credit to DIY Speed.
All right, so it's connected. Map's reading where it's supposed to. Oh, TPS. Why don't you go grab the... Is that still plugged in? Oh yeah, 99%. It works very well. I mean... All right, that's going to take a second. By the way, watch out for that wire.
Oh yeah. Oh, wait. And we're good. You wanna save this file?
Yeah, give me a sec to... We're going to call this engine stand PCM 11.8. Oh, I hit enter, so that's saved. Let's go ahead. Pretty simple stuff. Let's just check to see if it's got VATS. Serial. None. Control. Sorry. I hit this. That's all that needs to happen. I mean, should I segment swap it before we try to start it? I think I'm not even gonna bother right now. I don't. Let's turn the VATS off of it. Let's see. Gotta purchase credits. Just one time. Haha! That took like 10 minutes once you buy it for it to show up. But we have credits. Let me just make sure system VATS control none. Show license options. Spend $100. Already spent it, but now I'm assigning it, which means that I'm soul bonding to this PCM. Are you sure this action cannot be undone? Yes, I'm sure of it. All of this just so we could start it before I tear it down. This has been a lot. This is going to be a lot still. We got to figure out actually getting it started, which I think we can absolutely do once this... Oh, I have to hit right. All right. So, now that it's writing, the VATs are shut off. If anybody wants to buy a PCM with VATs turned off, let me know. I have one. It's going to cost you, well, at least $150 in shipping. Sounds good. See, I'm the...
All right.
Actually, unplug this device for this portion. Oh, okay, that's a big stress done with.
Okay, hook back up the fuel.
Yep, we gotta hook back up the fuel and figure out how to trigger our starter. It's a pretty big moment because now all of these contraptions will finally bring this engine to life. truth is that you should be able to hold that to there, and I should be able to arc it. So just hold that to, yeah. Did it go backwards? I think so. I mean, it's definitely melting it together. Yeah, last time the flywheel went counterclockwise. Alright, the Bendix pulled away. It went counterclockwise and then a little bit clockwise because that's compression.
Alright, so the LS, we were just messing around, trying to figure out what the heck was going on, why the starter wasn't engaging. When suddenly the motor decided to not only crank over, but fully start. Unfortunately, the storage on my camera got full, so I'm now switching over devices. And I didn't capture it. So we're gonna do it again. Are we ready for this? Alright, fuel pump.
Alright, yeah, no, let's risk our lives and limbs again. Okay, let's try to be professional here. As a consummate professional, I will not scream like a little girl or lose focus with the camera. I will be decisive and hopefully not hurt myself or anyone else. What do we need? We need that power. The TAC module, I'm just going to set right here. And alright, TAC module sitting on the stool. Power wire, the fuel pump's running. I hear it running. Power wire to the starter, and I'll bark this thing off. All right, bud, you want to put some power to what we have going on, and you want to get a good connection there. Yeah, wow, dude, you did it. The only thing burnt in here is the exhaust. We should probably air this out now. Hell yeah, brother. Okay, well, third time's the charm. Dude, this thing barks right off. Really freaking cool, man. Barks right off. Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. You ready? All right, I was born ready, bud. Fuck, yeah, that's awesome. Hell yeah, brother. On our way to making horsepower. Woo! Now those fumes, I'll breathe those in anything.
Alright, so even though the first time was not captured on video, for me at least, first time you can that we got this started, you can watch it on DIY Speed's channel. I don't have it, unfortunately, but we started it twice more, and yeah, she runs very nicely. What's the next step for this?
Okay, actual next steps is to finish the stand around it. So it needs the radiator, it needs water pump, alternator assembly hooked up, like a bracket and alternator hooked up, which is right behind me. Got to put a radiator on it, and get a fuse block. So we might as well wire it properly, and then it's going to see some runtime. It needs to see, honestly, you're probably going to see about 30 minutes of runtime to get a full diagnostic on it and see what codes it's throwing. I got to segment swap the PCM so that it knows that it's a 5.3 instead of a 6 liter. And if it passes all the diagnostics with flying colors, like still have to do compression test on it, still have a bunch of things to, just, to do to see if it's a healthy engine. If it passes all of those, then I don't think I'm even going to open it. If there's any hint of something wrong with it, then blow it apart and put it together even better than it was. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's a long road still ahead, but we'll get it done. We got this far. We'll get further.
When are we planning to put on the exhaust manifolds?
The exhaust manifolds the next time we start it.
All right.
The next
We
time
have?
start it. Sitting over there.
All right.
Yep.
Well, I'm going to close out the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.